Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. The best 24TD sewing machine reviews. Features, brand new and high quality. Unleash your child's creativity with our electric sewing machine set, perfect for role-playing and imaginative play. Our set features unique electric sewing machine model, allowing children to simulate the sewing process while having great time, suitable for children aged 3 and above who are interested in pretend play and have curiosity about daily life. Create home-like environment for your child with our toy set. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.